Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a segment, Kourtney's Kitchen. Since it's officially fall now, I think last week was the first day of fall, but I would have made this then, but since I've been recovering from my breast reduction surgery, I've just been kind of focusing on me and what I needed to do. But since it's the first day of October, I've decided to make, and I mean, this is what I'm known for. I am famous for this pumpkin bread, okay? Like, literally, my sister and her husband, like, he'll take the pumpkin bread to work, and married men are like, we'll leave our wives, and we'll marry your sister just as long as she promises to always have this on hand. So, this is my famous chocolate chip pumpkin bread. And Crystal's going to be kind of helping me. She'll be doing some panning around as we're mixing, just so you can kind of see how it's mixed, because there is some technical stuff to making it right, or else it might come out too heavy or, you know, just totally messed up. So we'll get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I have already sorted out all my ingredients here, just for time and it's easier, but we are going to start off with, and I'm making double. If you have a big family, I would suggest doubling up the recipe and doing 2. So it's 1 2/3 cup of flour. So, and it says to sift twice. So I usually will do the ingredients by themselves and just sift. Funny story about this sifter, it was a wedding gift for my parents 32 somewhat years ago. So they don't make things like they used to. This is still solid, still working, and we love it. The next step is sugar, which is a cup of sugar. And then half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then half a teaspoon of salt. All of our dry ingredients. And then I usually just mix it all together real quick. Alright, so then I'm going to put it into my KitchenAid bowl, because we need to sift them all together and then make a well for our wet ingredients that we'll be doing. Up along the sides as I possibly can, maybe even kind of use a spatula to kind of steady those walls there. Okay. And we'll just put that off to the side real quick. So that was a cup of pumpkin puree. And then we need 3 eggs. So then after the pumpkin puree and the eggs, you're going to want to add the oil. It is going to be 3/4 cup of oil. And just as a reminder, I am doubling this recipe, so it may seem a lot than what I'm telling you, but that's only because I'm doubling it. And then after the oil, you're going to want to add in your vanilla, which is a tablespoon of vanilla, or teaspoon, sorry, teaspoon.
Wait.
The last ingredient for the wet ingredients is the sour cream, 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix those all together until you get kind of a good consistency. See, you want for the wet ingredients, I don't know if it's even, you could say it's close to maybe the base for pumpkin pie. But then we'll take our dry ingredients and we're just going to pour in. Make sure you start off slowly getting all that mixed together, or else you're going to have a nice big flour cloud come up at you. Alright, now that we have it thoroughly mixed, the last ingredient that we're going to add is a cup of chocolate chips. We'll fold those in. Loaf pans already sprayed and floured, ready to pour in. And then the last thing we do before we pop them in the oven is we sprinkle on top the chocolate chips. And the recipe says to do about 1/4 cup, but really, I just say do what you like. Sprinkle it on top until you're satisfied. Like, why not? It's chocolate chip. Okay, you can kind of spread them out if you need to. A minute 15, and we'll see you when they're out.
Super delicious.
Okay, I'm just gonna quickly check real quick to make sure that it's done all the way through. Yep, clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that they are done. We're going to let them cool off for a few, and then we'll cut into it so you can see all the deliciousness hidden inside. We got them out of our pans now. And let's see, should we cut one this way? Yummy. So now we just need to make sure it tastes good, because it looks good.
Yeah, these are super good.
Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and maybe if you want to try it out, let me know how it goes. Always like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
See ya. Bye.